Using base 10 blocks and centimeter grid paper, we will model the multiplication problem 15 times 13. This rectangle is 13 centimeters by 15 centimeters. As we fill in the rectangle with base 10 blocks, we can fit 100 block there. As we continue to fill in this side, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And we fill in down here another 10, 20, and 30. We'll then fill in this last small rectangle with ones. As we do this, not only do we demonstrate multiplication of two-digit numbers, but we can then use this model to demonstrate the place value that comes into play when we're multiplying multiple digits. So we have 10 here, and 3 more makes 13. We have 10 here, and 5 more makes 15. The 10 times the 10 gives us a 100 block. This 10 times the 5 gives us the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 that fits in this space. This 10 times this 3 gives us the 10, 20, 30 that fit into that space. And this 3 times this 5 give us the 15 that's fit into the small rectangle at the bottom. By drawing lines on the grid paper, we can then show our separate regions. We have this region, which is 10 times 10, which equals 100. This region is 10 times 5, which equals 50. This region is 10 times 3, which equals 30. This region is 5 times 3, which equals 15. If we add all those four regions together, we have 100, 150, 180, 195 for a product of 195.